We next examine the form named Certificate regarding pending child support proceedings and/or existing child support orders, judgments. Page 1. At the top of this two-page form, write in the name of your county and your case number. Print your name as petitioner and your spouse or partner's name as respondent. 1. Pending Child Support Proceedings. Select the first checkbox if there is no pending child support proceeding pending, or the second checkbox if a child support proceeding is pending. Indicate when and where the proceeding is pending and the case numbers. Two, existing child support orders or judgments. Select the first checkbox if no child support order or judgment exists, or the second checkbox if a child support order or judgment already exists. Indicate when and where the judgment was issued and the case number. Page 2. If necessary, indicate when and where additional judgments were issued and their case numbers. Attach additional sheets as necessary, labeling each sheet Attachment 1 to Certificate regarding child support proceedings and orders. Do not complete the signature portion of this form until you are before a circuit court clerk, a pro se dissolution coordinator, or a notary public. We next examine the form named Notice of Statutory Restraining Order Preventing the Dissipation of Assets in Domestic Relations Actions and Request for Hearing. Page 1. The first page of this two-page form includes instructions to help you avoid violating the law while your divorce action is pending. These instructions direct you to maintain insurance and other shared assets until a final divorce decree or judgment is issued. Page 2. At the top of this two-page form, write in the name of your county and your case number. Print your name as petitioner and your spouse or partner's name as respondent. Are you the petitioner or respondent? Are you requesting a hearing for the judge to A. Consider additional temporary orders? Then select this checkbox and in detail tell the judge why. B. Modify or revoke part of the statutory restraining order? Then select checkboxes and tell the judge what you want changed. 2. Will you have an attorney at your hearing? Do not complete the rest of this form until you are before a circuit court clerk, a pro se dissolution coordinator, or a notary public. We next examine the form named Affidavit of Service, Acceptance of Service. Page 1. At the top of this two-page form, write in the name of your county and your case number. Print your name as petitioner and your spouse or partner's name as respondent. Write in your name and names of the county and state of which you are a resident. You will select and use only one delivery method. 1. Personal service, or 2. Substitute service, or 3. Office service on page 2, or 4. Service by mail, return receipt requested on page 2. Page 1, personal service. Personal service means you yourself delivered the original petition and summons to the other party. Write in the name and address of the party who received your personal service. Substitute service. Substitute service means you hand-delivered the petition and summons to a person 14 or older who is a member of the same household as the other party. Page 2, office service. Office service means you hand-delivered an original copy of the petition and summons to a responsible person at the place where the other party works, or you mailed it through the U.S. Postal Service. Service by mail, return receipt requested. Service by mail, return receipt requested means that through the U.S. mail you sent 2 true copies of the petition and summons to the other party. 1 copy by first-class mail, and the other copy by certified or registered mail with return receipt requested.